Animals in science, especially when it comes to testing revolving around animals, is a fairly controversial subject. To me, when it comes to animals and testing, there is certainly one absolute, and that is medical testing involving around animals is a necessary. Without animal testing, when it comes to medical, we would not have a lot of things that we have today, like the smallpox vaccine. All of that. It's very, very crucial to us that we keep animal testing when it comes to medical. Now, of course, does that excuse the conditions in which most animals in animal testing are being held in? Of course not. But it's almost like a necessary evil. But then there's the other side of animal testing, an evil that I do not believe to be necessary, and that is cosmetic animal testing. Now, the difference between cosmetic animal testing and animal testing, for those who are unaware, is medical animal testing is testing animals to make scientific medical breakthroughs to better the human and possible other animals' life in quality of life. Cosmetic testing is when we test on animals to see if there are any side effects with things that we wear, like perfume, makeup, all of that stuff. And I don't view it as necessary. Now, you would imagine that not a lot of animals would be tested on for cosmetics because, there's a greater need for medical testing than cosmetic testing. But what if I were to say that 500,000 animals are tested on each year strictly for cosmetics? That's an absurd number, at least to me. Now, what if it's just a very high number, but the tests aren't so bad? That would be excusable, I suppose. However, 97% of animals that get tested on in cosmetic animal testing die at the end of the trial. That is a lot of animals dying unnecessarily each year. Having to go through pain, having to be confined in a small space, only for them to die at the very end of their story. Excuse me, my roommate. My apologies. But only for them to die at the end of the testing. I can see, and I can even make arguments for animal testing. However, I can't make arguments for cosmetic testing. I don't see it as a necessary. If we truly need to do these tests, then why don't we do these tests on humans, consenting human adults, and have there be some kind of reward? Like, you could pay consenting adults to do testing if they truly want to. I think that would be a more suitable option instead of killing 4,750 plus, 100,000 plus animals each year. That's just not okay in my eyes. But alas, cosmetic testing has been around for so long that it's unlikely that it's going to be going anywhere, unfortunately. But like I said, there's one absolute, and that's medical testing is a necessary. But to me, the only absolute when it comes to cosmetics in animal testing is it is absolutely unnecessary.